Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Rome, Italy, and I'm at the top of the Augustus Forum, and I'm going to walk down the side and just show it to you. It's a quick down and dirty. That's the church behind us. That's the one that Canoe Reeves, whatever his name is, he was on top of that building in like the third whatever show it was. Anyway, let's go take a look at this stuff. So it starts with the pillar, and I can probably even make it a better shot. You see the shadow right here? I can just go stand in it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Pretty amazing. But it's got the whole, tells a story all the way up. Pretty amazing. But this is the Augustus Forum. And I've got my earphones in, and so I'm listening to Neil Young's Southern Man. What's amazing too is that they have rebuilt one of the columns setups. Pretty amazing. And this is another one of those down and dirty videos. I'm hoping for less than 2.5 minutes. And I don't know what he's playing, but if I keep talking over him, maybe it'll not flag my video for copyright laws, but it's still pretty amazing. I'm sure it'll get flagged. And then I've got to write a letter and argue it. And then eventually, after like 30 days, they release it as its original content. Anyway, pretty amazing, huh? I did the Roman Forum for you the other day, and it's pretty amazing. But this is the other side of the street. So it's like the left side is Augustus, the right side is the Roman. And you can see how big this thing was. Oop. Pretty amazing.
Monumental în care tu o expui.
And there's a statue of Augustus right there. And the panda bear. This is the Panda Forum. No, come on now. Pretty amazing. And this guy's always trying to sell you stuff. Nice shoes, man. Nice shoes. Yes, yes. That's how they try to hook you. Talk about your shoes. Anyway, this is the Augustus Forum. This is my down and dirty 2.5 minute go. That's it, everybody. Bye-bye.